Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mario from Trader Today, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk about Netflix. How's Netflix leading the charge, leading the whole market, leading the tech sector? All the FANGs, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google, and don't forget Netflix is part of one of the FANGs. Everything is leading, everything's looking good, and I'm gonna explain the technicals and why I am now bullish on the market. All right, guys, let's get started. So, as you guys can see, Netflix did report today, broke out at all-time highs. Now, before I kind of go over into that detail, as a reminder, Netflix has been trending very, very nicely last year, and it was showing relative strength compared to the whole market, which is very, very good and important. Now, today it reported earnings, and it actually showed above expectations on subscribers because a lot of analysts were thinking that they were not going to beat subscribers, and actually, not only did they beat, they exceeded expectations way above and beyond. So that's very, really good. But what's most important is that because of Netflix, all the fans started moving. So we have Facebook moving. You see that? Now it's trending. It's up 2%. Amazon moving. Breaking out of this range right here. We also have, let's see, Apple is also moving. You guys can see it's up around 1.38, broke out at 176 resistance level, and looks like it's going to test all-time highs, which is really, really good. And we also have Google. Finally broke out of this range, gapped up, started a trend. So things are looking good for the whole tech sector and the stock market overall. Now, this is the S&P 500, as you guys can see. It's uptrending now. It finally traded above the 267.79 level. And what's most important as well, which is one of the things that a lot of investors and traders from around the world look at, is the 50-day moving average. This S&P 500 was finally able to close above the 50-day moving average since the sell-off in March. So if you guys can see, finally closed above the 50-day moving average. Now this orange moving average line, this is the 50-day moving average. The red is the 200 days. So again, the S&P 500 did hold the 200-day moving average, which was very, very important. And now, for the first time, has closed above the 50-day, which is a very, very bullish indicator. So things are looking good. You guys can see also the NASDAQ, the first time today, it closed above the 50-day moving average. Now let's take a look at the, let's see what else, the Russell 2000. Again, also actually closed above the 50-day moving average, which actually did that last week, but it's still continued to trend, showing relative strength. Now, actually, a lot of this in the Russell is because of the energy and oil sectors. So things are looking good. I'm definitely very bullish now. Again, earnings are definitely the time where companies, when they report their earnings, there's a lot of catalysts involved to push the market if the earnings are good. Which again, don't forget, guys, there was a tax cut that took an effect starting in January this year, which reduced taxes from 30% to 22%, which is a really big deal. And these numbers are finally starting to show in the second quarter earnings. So we're gonna have to kind of take a look at again in the last 2-3 weeks. We're gonna see all these companies, hundreds and hundreds of companies report all their earnings. Again, that tax cut is really going to start showing. So, again, I'm bullish in the market. We're going to see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, and you guys will hear from me in the next video. Have a good one, guys.